WT0592, Waylin Ondo, 32 years old of age, married, high school graduate, 2 years experience, housemaid in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Waylin H. Ondo. I'm married. I'm 32 years old.
Then, how many hours travel going to Manila?
4 hours.
If
So-
with children, who will take care of them?
My husband and mother-in-law.
Tell me something about your housemaid experience in the Philippines.
My employers are very patient and very careful. Then,
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
I know to cook Chinese food. Will be try it to cook for my employer.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
How about the elderly?
yes,
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, I wash the bottle, then clean, then I put the warm water, then milk. Yes,
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I sing.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
I
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
yes.
Give me one example.
Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I call my parents in the Philippines, then I'm busy to my work to my employer.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No,
What will you do?
I send to money, then I call them in the Philippines.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is the most beautiful country in Asia. Then I will take of Hong Kong. So beautiful.
Okay. Message to Bison employer.
To my employer, please try me. I'm trying with my best, my honest and patient to my employer.
Okay, thank you very much.